tried to find like an actual, I thought I had some rainbow earrings, but these will do. And this dress is actually off the shoulder, but I'm gonna keep it like this for now since I'm doing eyeshadow. I did my face makeup already. And then at the end of the video, I'm gonna have it drop down. But it's cute. I'll show you the full fit later, but I'm excited about the eye look, so let's go.
Ryan Little.
So this is basically the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the full outfit in a little bit, but I basically tried to do the cat eye look, like with liner or whatever right here, and then also I tried to put mascara on. I got a little dot here, and I was like, okay, I'll leave it. So I tried to kind of make it look cut crease in a way. I don't know. I tried. But I'm gonna just show you my denim dress. It's really the makeup and the earrings I wanted to stand out, not the full outfit this time around, but yeah. I like it. Okay, I moved my chair back a little bit, so it's literally like this off the shoulder, and it's basically knee-high length. I wonder if you can see it a little bit. You see it? Absolutely adorable. I got this dress from It's Fashion. So yeah, I like it. Cute, comfortable. So yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoy it. Happy Pride.